Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Buddy podcast. I am Sam.
And I am Sophia. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day to practice English listening.
We hope you are feeling relaxed and ready to learn.
Our goal is to help you improve your English in a fun and easy way.
Exactly. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
Before we start, we want to say thank you.
Yes, thank you for listening to our podcast every week.
You are doing a great job on your English journey.
If you like our show, please press the like button.
And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot.
Also, share this with a friend who is learning English too.
So, Sophia, what are we talking about today?
Today, our topic is very modern. We are talking about technology.
Oh, that is a big topic. Technology is everywhere.
Yes, it is. We use it every single day.
We use phones, computers, and the internet.
It changes how we live and how we work.
I think this is a very useful topic for our listeners.
Me too. Let's talk about our life with technology.
Sophia, let's start with the morning. What is the first thing you do?
Well, honestly, I'd pick up my smartphone.
Really? Immediately?
Yes, I use my phone as my alarm clock. It wakes me up.
I see. I do the same thing. My phone is on my nightstand.
After I stop the alarm, I check the weather.
That is smart. It helps you choose your clothes for the day.
Exactly. Then I check my messages. What about you, Sam?
I try not to look at my phone right away. I like to drink coffee first.
Wow, that is very healthy. I should try that.
But after coffee, I open my laptop. I need to check my emails.
Yes, laptops are very important for work. I use my computer all day.
Do you like working on a computer?
Mostly yes. It makes writing very fast. I can delete mistakes easily.
That is true. Imagine writing everything with a pen and paper.
Oh no, that would take a long time.
I also love technology for entertainment. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love watching movies on my tablet in the evening.
It is so convenient. You can watch anything, anytime.
Exactly. I also use apps to listen to music.
Me too. I listen to music when I cook or walk.
Technology connects us with people too.
Yes, I video call my family every weekend.
That is my favorite part. My sister lives in another country.
Oh, really?
Yes, without technology, I could not see her face.
That is amazing. Video calls are like magic.
I agree. But Sam, is there anything you do not like?
Good question. Sometimes my eyes get tired.
Oh, I know that feeling. Too much screen time.
Yes, when I look at a screen for hours, I get a headache.
Me too. Sometimes we need to take a break.
Exactly. We need to go outside and leave the phone at home.
That is hard, but it is a good idea.
Do you use a smartwatch, Sophia?
No, I don't. Do you?
Yes, I wear one. It counts my steps.
Oh, nice. Does it help you exercise?
It does. It tells me to walk more.
That is helpful. Maybe I need one too.
Technology is great, but we must use it carefully.
I agree completely. It is a tool to help us.
Sophia, we used some important words just now. Let's explain them.
Good idea. The first word is device.
A device. This is a machine, like a phone or a tablet.
Yes, my phone is a device. My computer is a device.
Exactly. The next word is screen.
The screen is the glass part of the phone. You look at the screen.
Right. We look at screens all day. And the last word is app.
App is short for application. It is a program on your phone.
Like Instagram, WhatsApp, or YouTube. Those are all apps.
Simple, right? Device, screen, and app.
Now, let's give our listeners some tips.
How can they use technology to learn English?
My first tip, change your phone language to English.
Oh, that is a great tip. You will see English words every time you open your phone.
Yes, it helps you learn words like settings, message, and search.
My tip is to use a dictionary app.
Very useful. If you see a new word, you can check it quickly.
Start small. Just change one thing on your phone today.
Let's summarize what we talked about today.
We talked about how we use technology in the morning, for work, and for fun.
We talked about phones, alarms, laptops, and video calls.
We also learned 3 words: device, screen, and app.
And we gave tips on using your phone to learn English.
Technology is very helpful, but remember to rest your eyes.
We are at the end of the episode today.
Thank you so much for listening to us.
We have a question for you. Please answer in the comments.
The question is, what is your favorite app on your phone?
Is it YouTube, Instagram, or maybe a game? Let us know.
Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye, everyone.